Hubspot versus PipeDrive. Which one is better CRM for you to use in 2021? Hi guys, today we're comparing Hubspot with PipeDrive to figure out which CRM is better for you to use in 2021. So let's get started. Now, opening argument, Hubspot and PipeDrive both are amazing CRM to use in 2021. But when it comes to signing up process, Hubspot is completely free to sign up. But on the other hand, PipeDrive has no free plan for you. If you want to, try it for free, you'll actually have to buy their plan and then you will get 14 free day trial. So this one goes to Hubspot. If you love free stuff and you're looking for a free CRM, then Hubspot has this point because it is completely free to sign up. But on PipeDrive, you will actually have to buy the plan first. So yeah, this is the difference between Hubspot and PipeDrive. Then Hubspot is good for big businesses and middle-sized businesses and for big organization, because as of the look of Hubspot right here, you can see that it allows you to do email marketing, sales, services, and automations, all of these different options. So it's quite professional, and when something is professional, it's complicated as well. But Hubspot is actually very good for these big organization, and if you have a lot of sales and you have a big company, then Hubspot should be your option. But when we go to PipeDrive, now PipeDrive is also very professional and it can be used for big businesses as well, but it has this thing where I would say that it is good for small businesses or freelancers and people who are working from home or individuals. It can be used for big businesses as well, but as we compare to Hubspot, not that good enough to be as compared to Hubspot in this matter. So yeah, this point goes to Hubspot as well. Now let's compare their pricing, because you'll be like, we want to know the pricing. So the pricing for Hubspot, as I told you, you can actually sign up for free, but there are plans that you will have to buy eventually on Hubspot. Now you can see the starter plan is $45 per month. Then if the professional plan is $800 per month, and then enterprise is $3,200 per month. But if we go to PipeDrive right here, you will see that it is actually much cheaper than Hubspot. You can actually buy the first plan for $12 and then $24, $49, and $99. So that's actually pretty amazing that it's actually much cheaper than Hubspot. So yeah, the pricing, if we look at the pricing, yes, PipeDrive does not allow you to sign up for free, but it is much cheaper as compared to HubSpot. So yeah, you'll have to invest first, but then you will be, it will be easy on your pocket to use PipeDrive. So let's see different features that both of these platforms offer in their different plans. So if we look right here, there are forms, email marketing, landing pages, and live chats. But as the pricing increases, of course, the feature increases as well. You can actually see the dynamic personalization, social media, video hosting and management, contact and company scoring. Then when it comes to, A/B testing and website traffic analysis, campaign reporting, customer reporting, and phone support, everything is involved right here, and same as in the professional plan, which is the enterprise. And when we go to PipeDrive right here, you can see their different things. For example, they have lead, deal calendars, pipeline management, 24/7 support. Again, if you increase, the features will increase as well. If we go to their enterprise, you will see all of these different options. You will get the upgraded reports and visual dashboards, revenue forecast, document and contracts, unlimited user permission and teams, and then all of these implementations, no feature usage limits. So it's actually pretty amazing. Both of these websites have very amazing features for you to actually avail. So that's amazing, and you can actually use any of these platforms. And if we look at this, you can, as I told you before, you will see that there are different options available in Hubspot that are not available in PipeDrive. But if you are a small business or just a freelancer using the CRM, then I think it's good to go. You will be happy to use PipeDrive. let's look at their overview. So I personally use Hubspot, but it does not mean I am completely impartial in this combat right now. I am not taking any sides, but yeah, I use actually Hubspot. So as I told you, it was free to sign up, so I use this. So you can see right here there are contact, conversations, marketing, sales, service, automation. If I take you to marketing, you will see that we can actually do ads, email, landing page, social media, SEO, campaigns, and forums. So in this way, if we look at the SEO of both of these websites, both are good for, as you know, both serve the purpose of SEO and both are SEO friendly. But HubSpot is more SEO friendly because it has these options in every, if we go to marketing, you will see all of these different options. So that's pretty amazing. You can actually create different campaigns and as different things as well. So it's amazing. And PipeDrive also has these amazing features. If you look right here, that you can actually set up your pipeline stages. It has different stages where you will be working, and it is well managed. PipeDrive is very well managed. You can focus on sales action, track progress toward goal, optimize, and grow. So there are different options as well. For example, manage leads and deals, track communication, automate, and grow. And you actually get mobile apps and integrations as well. So that's pretty amazing in PipeDrive. Okay, so you can see right here that deep dive into metrics customized for your business. So it will give you an overview of what's happening as well. So that's pretty amazing. If we look right here, the reviews, and you can see that they're saying they have 4.5 review on Capterra and Gartner and all of these different apps and softwares. And again, Hubspot is also one of the most top rated out there. So comparing them again, if we look at the different features, let me take you to a website that I actually found, and here we will be able to compare them more, like different features that both of these offers and what are the differences. So you will be able to see right here the pipeline management. PipeDrive, yes, and HubSpot also gives you the pipeline management. Then contacts, you can see right here the PipeDrive actually gives you unlimited contacts. So that's actually amazing. But when it comes to HubSpot, you're getting only 1 million contacts. 1 million is not only, actually it's quite a lot, but again, unlimited. If you are a I actually said that you are a big company, you will be using HubSpot, so maybe your contacts will be more than 1 million. So that's actually this point goes to PipeDrive right here. When it comes to custom fields, both of these have it. Then email templates, you can see unlimited from second plan, 5 on free plan, 5,000 on paid plans. So again, PipeDrive gives you a lot of features. For example, as we just read, it will give you the free templates, but on HubSpot, the templates, the overview, the campaign or product, actually whatever you will be creating, the quality, it's actually about the quality of these templates and everything. So HubSpot actually has very good quality, and it's not about the quantity and quality. That's what HubSpot is doing right here. So that's why you can see that they allow you like 5,000 on paid plans, but that's actually pretty amazing. If you have good quality templates, email templates, that's actually pretty amazing. Then customized reports, all plan, higher plans only. Now that point goes to PipeDrive, because the customizable reports are available in all of the plans in PipeDrive, but in HubSpot it's not. You can only get in higher plans. Best for, you can see right here, the users, best for 1 to 500 users. I'm talking about PipeDrive. And when it comes to HubSpot, it is good for 2 to 1,000 plus users. So this is what I was talking about, right? This is good for big businesses and this is good for small businesses. Free trial, both of them have it, but again, you will have to pay in order to get the free trial on PipeDrives. And the plans start from 24 and this starts from 39. Capterra rating, both have same rating. So yeah, this actually gives us an overview of both of these platforms, that what are the main differences. But when it comes to feature, you will be able to create email marketing on Hubspot, you will be able to create email marketing on PipeDrives, you will be able to create pipeline management on PipeDrive and on Hubspot as well. So yeah, in this regard, I think the points actually I forgot to keep track, but I think both of these platforms actually have amazing features to avail. Again, if you are a big business, you can go with HubSpot, and if you are a small business or an individual looking for a good CRM, then you should go with PipeDrive. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your awesome email marketing campaigns and manage your work on any of these platforms. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.